White Cane Safety Awareness Day. Did you know? Today is dedicated to celebrating the independence and achievements of the visually impaired. Let's ensure we're considerate and informed. Here are 5 key tips for sighted people when interacting with someone visually impaired. 1. Announce yourself. A simple, "Hi, it's your name," goes a long way. 2. Ask if they need help. Don't assume, always ask. 3. Speak directly to the individual. They are just as engaged in the conversation as you are. 4. Do not move objects. Consistency in their environment is essential. 5. Show respect. Treat everyone with dignity and understanding. Let's all do our part in creating an inclusive community. Spread the word and share these tips. This message comes to you from your disability conscious-based friends at Bbat Enterprises, where your wellness is our purpose.